Alright, it's a bit difficult to do this without diagrams, but the quantum eraser experiment is a way to show that it is not, in fact, just the equipment that is interfering with quantum readings. So you take the double slit experiment, right? Normally you have an interference pattern, but if you put detectors at the slits, no interference pattern. But then further down the line, if you put something there that scrambles the data, you get an interference pattern again. So basically this is showing that it is not the detector that is causing the lack of interference pattern, it is the quantum state of the particles themselves. Because you can restore that interference pattern after the fact, even if the detector is turned on. You do this with a laser and entangled particles, and it's kind of complex, but that's the gist of it. There is a further evolution of this experiment called the delayed choice quantum time eraser. Basically, you do the quantum eraser thing, you do it with entangled particles. And for one of the entangled particles, you have the same detector. You're seeing if there's an interference pattern or not. And that's all you have. And then for the other particle, you have this quantum eraser experiment, but just a long way away. The result, the interference pattern or not for the first particle, will show up before the cause of that result later down the line. This seems to imply retrocausality, that the future can cause effects in the past. That's not the same as time travel. And really, this just shows some really weird properties of quantum mechanics. Now, I'm being honest here, retrocausality is just a really vast simplification. No, we cannot use this to send information back in time, but it's still really weird and really cool.